Hey there, beautiful. Today, Sierra and I have got 5 songs for you. All you need is you and a small space, and just keep playing. All right, go be awesome.
Just step touch, ladies, step touch. You got it, step touch. See, I did this earlier and then it got really loud. So you're gonna think 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Feet apart, hands up. Take it back, same thing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, hands out. Now the hands out to the side. Dive forward. Walk your feet, walk your feet. Hands. Dive it forward. Walk your feet. Almost fell down. Single down. 2. Do it again. Roll it back. Single, double. Welcome to Hip Hop Cardio, ladies. My name's JB. This is Sierra. Ribs are gonna slide. We are your hosts for the next 57 minutes. Hips are gonna go side to side. Remember, this is just about moving. If we do a move you don't like, just march or skip in place. Slow hip circle. Give me 2. All the way around. Peanut butter. 2 circles. Light it up, light it up. I don't even know what the words are. Bring it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hands out. Take it back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hands out. Something new coming up. Grapevine. Hips. Take it out. Here we go. It's an up and a down and a up and a down. Grapevine. Here we go. Up, down, up, down. One more. Walk it up. Tap it out, tap it front. 4, 3, 2, 1. Out first. 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. 4, 3, 2. Take it back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hands up. Take it back. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hands. One more time up. Here we go. 1, 2. Hands. Last time. Hands out, then we dive. Forward. Step. Hands up. And dive. Walk it. Now let's go back this time. Single, double, double. Single, triple. Hands up. So pretty. Up. 1, 2. Hands. All right. We're going to start out with a salsa. Starts right off. Walk your feet. Salsa. Walk your feet. Let's do that again. Come on. One more time. Now you're gonna turn. Go that way. Gotta do the other side. Step, step. Here we go. 2. 2. All right, Jenny, you're gonna love this. You're gonna whip it with a knee. Whip, knee, roll. Whip, knee. Whip, knee. Last time. Bring a knee in, tap. Singles. Again. That's a whole song. Singles. Salsa. Let's go. Feet. Two more times. Last one. We're gonna turn. Tap it front, then two. Tap, tap. Do it again, both sides. Whip it. Roll. Last one. Bring it in. Tap. Singles. Salsa. Walk your feet. Walk. Turn. All those booties. That was a no or a yes? Oh, I don't remember it either, so it's okay. We're gonna go like this. Step hip. Step hip. Now you can stay here or you can turn it the next time we do this. Scoot your feet. 4, 3, 2. Step knee, it's slow. 2 steps. 2. It's quick. Single, single, double. Pull. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Remember, arms are optional. But once you get it, you're gonna make it bigger. Here we go. Woo! The whole bike went. Slide. 4, 3, 2. Step hip. Step hip. Step hip. Slide. 4. Four slides. 4. 2 steps. They're quick. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Single, single, double. Pull. 2. Make it bigger. Come on. One more. Scoot those feet. 4, 3, 2. Turn. Scoot. 4, 3. Turn it. 2 and 2. You know that I don't wanna feel this way again. So let's pick up the pieces that we left. Keep going, come. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah. Roll, single, single, double. 1, 1, 2. Make it bigger, come on. It's a long round. Whoop, not done. Almost there. Scoop. 4, 3, All right. This is short. It is. It's not even 3 minutes. It is. It's quick, but it's short. We have 4 high knees, and then you pump. Speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pump, 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 pump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Pump, 2, 3, 4. Scissor kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Criss, cross, criss, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Criss, cross. Scissor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, in, out, in. Last time. Up. Keep that core tight. Let's pump. In, out. Ooh. From the top. Up, up. Keep that core tight. All right, you only have this last section. That's it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pump, 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 pump. Up. Pump. Up. 2, 3, 4. Pump. Scissor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, in. Out, in. Scissor. Out, in. Scissor. Woo! Oh, we got a crop top.
I got money busting out the money clip.
I got money busting out the bunny clip.
Yeah.
It is hot in here. Step, touch, step, pump.
To a 20 quid. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter. I can keep
Stay here. Step, pump.
To a 20 quid. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter. I can keep
Tap it in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips up, down, up, down. Other side. Hips up. Turn it. Step, side. To the back. Step. Other side. To the front.
Turn it down and go get you some money.
From the top. Step. Pump.
I got money busting out the money.
That's the whole dance.
Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter. I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quid.
I got money busting out the money clip.
Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter. I can keep
Tap it in.
on
1, 2, 3, 4. Hips.
Streets moving funny, so I been holding strap.
Other side.
Not
Tap.
playing defense, we been on the attack.
Hips.
Plotting the scheme and how we gon' get it back.
Turn it.
Designer all on you, but you can't buy the swag.
To the back.
Those foo-foo, I can see the tag.
Side.
Bad if I spend this cause I get it back.
Front.
I'm 5G, your dollar, I can see the lag.
Tap it in. Tap.
All I
Tap.
ever wanted was to have
Hips.
it all. Got close, never froze, had to risk it all.
Tap. 1,
As a
2,
little boy, I wish I
3,
wasn't
4.
little tall.
Hips.
Never made the league, I found other ways to
Slow
live.
hip. From the top.
Turn a 10 piece
Pump.
to a 20 quid.
Pump.
I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece
To a 20 quid.
I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it.